Hey there, my name's Sarah and I thought I'd share a vlog of my day with you today. It's Monday, November 18th, around 12:30. I've already started my day. I went out for breakfast with my dad and I'm kind of still in my comfy outfit. It says, I am sleeping in. Sorry, not sorry. I'm actually just sitting on the couch in my living room and I think I'm gonna watch some movies. Maybe start out with this one called Missing Link. It's a claymation by the same creators as Kubo and the Two Strings, I think it's called, and Coraline, and this one has Bigfoot in it. I started watching it. It's pretty funny so far. Hugh Jackman's in it as well. And then the other one that I'm super excited about is a superhero movie. It's the latest Spider-Man one, Far From Home, and both of these are actually from the library, so they're free. If you don't have access to them, maybe with the streaming service or you can't buy them, definitely check out your library. Hello again. It is 5:56 p.m. so a lot later than when I was talking to you before. I ended up watching both of those movies. Missing Link was pretty good, but I wouldn't watch it more than once, and I just finished Spider-Man Far From Home. I always want to say Homecoming, but that was the previous one, and wow, I really enjoyed that one. At first I thought it was just gonna kind of be your normal typical superhero movie, but there was definitely a good unexpected twist. In the end, of course, there's gonna be something else. I actually decided that I felt like a hot drink, so I'm going to make a peach matcha with this matcha frother from David's Tea, and then I definitely need to have a shower as well. I don't know, not feeling a whole lot of motivation to do a ton of things, but there is definitely stuff that I need to get done, like maybe some laundry and some dishes, just some fun chores. Matcha survived. I almost had a matcha disaster. I had it in a smaller mug originally, so when I used the frother it kind of went everywhere, but I transferred it into a bigger one and I'm glad that I can still enjoy it and I didn't completely ruin it, so yay. I think I'm gonna watch a few YouTube videos from my small YouTuber chat friends. Say hi in the comments, you know who you are, because there's a lot of cool content that I want to catch up on. It is 7:46 p.m. right now. I had my shower. I'm heating up some stew for dinner. I felt really inspired to make an apple recipe after watching my friend Katrina's YouTube video fall apple recipes. And I came across this cinnamon applesauce muffins recipe from this website called A Mindful quote-unquote Mom. I'll link the recipe down below if you want to try to make that yourself. And what I really like about it is it has a lot of simple ingredients. Instead of white refined sugar, you can either use honey or maple syrup, and I'm going to be going with maple syrup. And then for the apple taste, you just need to add some applesauce. Excited for Christmas, and I've definitely been listening to Christmas radio since the beginning of November. Let me know what you're looking forward to. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked, subscribe, and make sure to click that bell icon so you can be notified as soon as I upload, and I'll see you in my next video.